just left Boulogne-sur-Mer and now we are back on the water again, and our plan today is, well, to do an overnighter. Okay, it is the next day and we're motoring against the tide again, as you can hear probably. During the night, well, there was very little wind, so sometimes we were going very slow during my watch especially, but the great thing about tide is that it's a give and take situation, so even though you go slow sometimes, you also go fast sometimes. So the tide should turn in our favour soon. That's what the information we have is telling us. So let's hope that is true. And then let's hope we can sail on this wind, because we do have some wind. Wind indicator. And we are sailing!
Yeah, indeed. And we're sailing over 4 knots as well, which is excellent.
Oh, I was just going to look at the sail on the camera.
You can't see it,
yeah.
You silly Billy.
It's under the bimini. Anywho,
4.73, oh, you missed that one.
That was super fast.
4.7 again, eh?
Yeah, well, we're kind of surfing as well because the wind's from behind. But we're sailing, so it's nice, isn't it? More peaceful, the sun is shining.
Beautiful.
It is a gorgeous day.
Glorious out there. Not right, not a fish being caught, as they said.
Yeah, well.
I don't think we're really well equipped yet for fishing.
Let's see how the fishing rod is tied on.
Well, that works.
Yeah.
I think we need some better kit with my lures. We haven't got the world's greatest lures, have we?
Yeah, a little silverfish.
Yeah.
Who wouldn't want to eat that?
The better ones, the silver ones that spin and flash, and ours it just looks like a fish. So.
Ah, boring.
Boring.
Yeah, but we've got other plans in case we don't catch any fish. So don't worry, guys. We won't starve.
We've got tuna in cans.
Land ho! Oh, that is nice. We are on Ile de Tattoo. Yeah, just looked at the sign to confirm. But yeah, we came over here with like an amphibian vehicle, so it was like a bus and a ferry sort of at the same time. It's pretty cool. And a what?
And a newt.
A newt?
And halfway between a bus, a ferry and a newt.
I don't know what. There's a seagull nesting there. Anyway, so we're basically just having a look around on this island. So the ticket that we bought for the ferry ride over here also includes, there's some gardens here, so we can look at them. And I think there's an observatoire. I saw a map, so yeah.
The house museum thing.
Exactly, yeah. So we can apparently look at all of those. So it should be quite a cool day out.
It's already lovely.
It is. It's really pretty, yeah. there's a seagull right there.
You're not nesting up there, seagull, are you?
He was just relaxing. So this is the wild garden, Jardin de Sauvage. And he is. Okay, better be very quiet because there's a seagull nesting here. It's a fig tree, so I've been told. And so I can also read. Well, I'm really liking it here.
It's lovely.
Well worth the money, we said.
Every penny.
Yeah, no, it's gorgeous. And it feels wild at the same time, I think, like kept, but not too kept. I think this is the Maritime Museum behind this gate, but this arrow indicates. Yes. The picture moved. What?
The picture you put your head in.
Oh, that is huge. Oh. Well, I hope something hatched and didn't die. Yeah, they are.
They're so squawky. Look at the tide.
Yeah. I know, right? You can probably walk across to that fort at low tide. I think I've seen land in between this island and that island. And then on the other side, first of all, look how thick that wall is. Okay, Dad's climbing onto it. And the observatory. That is built by the Germans. Okay. And that bit not. Okay, we have to go back the way we came. Okay, down the hill we go. Have we found a secret way?
A bit wonky. I'm not sure we're going to go any further. Maybe.
Okay, I'm coming too. What a cool little path. This is how I like to wake up. Apparently the Olympic flame is going through town today, so it's quite the event. There's a lot going on outside and lots of police, lots of people. It's over there somewhere. Camera zoom. I can barely see it with my naked eye, so. You saw it? So the Olympic flame is in that mass of people there somewhere.
No, I've seen it. I've seen it.
Oh yeah, I see it too. Somebody's holding a stick and they're walking with it.
It's a sort of shiny stick.
Yeah. Gosh, you can barely see it from here. There you go, excitement. We just left Saint-Vast and well, our plan is to go all the way to Brest. Hopefully that all goes well, fingers crossed. But the first little bit we have to get we have to round the corner. What is it called again? We have to round the corner by Barfleur. So that's kind of the easterly corner of the Cherbourg Peninsula. And we knew we would be motoring into the wind. And I mean, we're motor sailing, we're kind of tacking up, which I think is a bit more comfortable, and we're making better speed. The tide should turn in our favor in about an hour. We left a little earlier, hoping that we could make some headway.
We have.
I think we have as well. We're doing actually not too bad.
Well.
Yeah. So hopefully we can get around this corner soon, in like 2 hours maybe. That would be nice. And we left at 5 in the evening, so we left pretty late because of the tide and the wind. Exactly. Yeah, all of that. The combination of all of those. We just leave at 5 p.m. So we'll have at least 2 nights at sea, maybe even a third. It's about 200 miles to Brest from where we started. Like I said, hopefully all goes well, and yeah, here we have it.
Absolutely.
A windswept dad.
I want a reef.
Yeah. All right. Changed our plans. We are going into Cherbourg. So, you know, I mentioned the Cherbourg Peninsula and how we wanted to round that. We've half rounded it, so that's pretty good. But I would like to take this opportunity to say there's absolutely no shame in completely changing your plans. If you feel bad, or if something just does not feel right, or you're tired or something. Certainly that was the case for us. There was a big tidal race around. There was a big tidal race around Barfleur, and it really shook me up personally. And I think we both decided, Dad and I, that we would go into Cherbourg and just set off again tomorrow morning when the tide is with us again. So yeah, there's no shame in changing your plans or turning around or cutting your trip short. So don't worry, guys.